Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to make Spider-Man face mask. It's very easy. All you need is few pieces of newspaper, balloon, scissors, colors, elastic and thread. That's all. Now, for this activity, you have to blow the balloon first of all. It should be equal to your face. Tie the balloon. Like this. Now, cut the pieces of newspaper, small pieces. Like this. This is the size of paper you require. You need a lot of papers. Now, all you have to do is take water. This is plain water. And now dip the pieces of paper into the water and paste them on the balloon like this. The first layer of newspaper is to be done with water only, like this. This is plain water. No need to mix anything in this water for first layer of newspaper on the balloon. Like this. Now, after completing this first layer, you have to mix Fevicol in this water. Mix the Fevicol in the water. After first layer of newspaper, I have done a part of this, but you have to do complete. Okay? Now, I will dip the paper in this paste I have made of Fevicol and water. Now I will paste these papers on the first layer of paper. Like this. In the same manner, you have to cover this balloon at least 4 to 5 times with the layer of this glue made with water and Fevicol, and this will become like this after drying. It will take 4 to 5 hours for drying. After drying, it will become this. Okay? Now, you have to paint it in red color, like I have done this earlier, like this. Okay? And now I will draw Spider-Man face on this. Like this. All I have to do is now just paint the eyes. पूरा में ब्लैक कलर देना See, I have made the eyes of Spider-Man. Now, I will paint the web design.
कैमरा बंद करो कैमरे के अंदर कैमरा कैमरे से ये बैठ लो पीछे पीछे दो कैमरे में से
Now paint it like this with the help of black color. Now I am going to make the design of web. See, the face of Spider-Man is ready now. All you have to do now is take a piece of elastic, make two cuts at the corner. Take the help of elders for this work. Now, fix the elastic on both the edges so that you can tie this mask on your head or face. Tie this on both the sides. Now you can see the face mask of Spider-Man is ready.
फोटो ले एक मिनट जल्दी
I hope you like it. In the same way, you can make different faces like this and this. Thank you all.
अरे सर ये लगा रहे हैं